Hello, today we will guide you through how to use the Yahoo Finance Stock Screener. Open your web browser and head to finance.yahoo.com, the Yahoo Finance homepage. This is your hub for market news, quotes, and research tools, and it's where the screener lives. Once the page loads, look for the top navigation bar and select Research. This tab gathers Yahoo's discovery tools in one place so you can move from browsing ideas to building a focused list quickly. On the Research Hub, choose Create to start a brand new screen. Think of this as opening a blank canvas. You're about to define the criteria that narrow thousands of securities into a manageable shortlist. From the choices that appear, pick mutual funds. While Yahoo's screener supports multiple asset types, today we'll focus on funds so you can evaluate diversified vehicles efficiently. Next, open Mutual Funds Filters. This panel is where you set the rules. You're not committing to anything yet. You're just telling the screener what matters to you so the results match your goals. Within the filters, go to Market Data. Here you can work with core attributes commonly used to compare funds, such as size, performance windows, or fees. Don't worry if a setting feels unfamiliar. You can keep changes flexible since filters can be added or removed at any time. Now move to funds by category. Categories help you target a style or asset class, such as large cap equity, bonds, or sector-focused funds, so the list reflects your preferred exposure rather than a mix of unrelated strategies. Use the highlight to select the category that best aligns with your objective. Choosing a highlighted option is a quick way to zero in on what you want without scrolling through every possibility. If you're comparing approaches, you can start broad and refine later. Return to the main Mutual Funds Filters view to confirm everything looks right. A quick review here prevents cluttered results and keeps the screen aligned with your criteria. When you're satisfied, click Apply. The screener will compile a list that matches your selections and display the funds that meet your conditions. Take a moment to scan the overview columns for a sense of how the list fits your intent. You can always revisit the filters to adjust thresholds or categories until the output feels just right. That's all there is to it. You've used Yahoo Finance to build a focused mutual fund screen, moving from the homepage to research, creating a screen, selecting filters, and applying them to see tailored results.